Greetings, everybody. We are out playing in the snow today. Got my snowshoes on, got a trail picked out, and I don't think I'm going to be able to follow the trail because there is no trail. Let's go. Alright, so we're at Ritter Farm Park. I just hiked up to the top of this hill. This is Marion Lake. A nice little hill here with a 360-degree view. You can see the parking lot is right down there where I parked. There's a police officer just hanging out in the parking lot. Otherwise, I'm the only other person here. Just got a big snowstorm here in the Twin Cities in Minnesota, so we're actually still under a winter storm warning right now. It's extremely windy, and it is still snowing. But it's a beautiful day. The sun is shining. Awesome. Found a little shelter here, the picnic table. I'm just gonna sit down and take a little break. Some absolutely gorgeous oak trees here. Looks like some nice big oak trees. Alright, this is hard work. A lot of snow on the ground. We just got about, this storm brought about, I don't even know, it seems about 2 feet where the wind hasn't blown it all the way. But it's very light powder. It's awesome. Alright, we reached this cool little pine grove. It's like a little tunnel through the pine trees. Up until now, it's been all white oak. Dang it, I missed it. There's some huge white bird. Could have been an owl, maybe. Like a barred owl. It was very large and it was kind of grayish white. It just flew by that clearing there. Well, all the snowmobilers are out. I got a group of like 3 going that way. And then there was a group of like 6 going back that way. It's not necessarily a bad thing. They're having fun. And I've never really seen snowmobilers. It's kind of cool. There you go. Hey. Woo! But it does fill the air with the smell of gasoline. And you can hear the all over the place. But hey, it's fun. All right. Probably gone about 1.5 miles, maybe 2 miles. Probably gone about 2 miles. Not really keeping track, but I just had to do a little bit on the snowmobile trail, and now I'm going to get off onto this fresh, untouched trail. Yes. Let us break the snow for the first time. I found a little kiosk here. Like I said, we're about 2 miles in. I checked the map, just about exactly 2 miles in. So we only have about 1.2 miles to go. So perfect spot for this kiosk. I got some water going here. We're gonna make some hot apple cider. I got some fruit leather and some applesauce. Lots of fruit. Really been enjoying myself out here in the winter time. This is the first winter I've ever really done hiking in the snow or snowshoeing or that kind of stuff. But I am looking forward to the summer season coming up, and I've been getting ready for my first big trip. I'll be heading to southern Missouri to a place called the Hercules Glade. So I'll be heading down there in about 3 weeks. Really excited for that. I'll be spending a couple of nights out in the wilderness, in the Hercules Glade wilderness area. We've never been hiking in Missouri, so this will be interesting. Hopefully you'll join us for that. So, finished up my break, my apple cider, and I'm ready to go. We got 1.2 miles left to go. Let's finish this up. Awesome. Well, there's my car poking up over the snowbank. I'm just coming up to where I started. It was an awesome hike today. It's a beautiful day today. They said we were supposed to get a few more inches of snow today, but it doesn't look like it. It's snowing a little bit. It's flurrying. But not mountable snow though. Looks like I was still the only one here. That's where I started. All right. So, Ritter Farm Park. This is a city park. I'm not sure which city. Something like Lakeville, I think, or I don't know. But it's probably about 20 minutes south of St. Paul. 15, 20. I'm gonna have to come back here. There are a lot of trails here. You could get lost in the trails back here. So I'll have to come back in the summer. I'm gonna mark this down on my map as I definitely come back in the summertime. Check out some more of the trails. I could hike a whole bunch and not do the same trail twice. I basically just hiked the perimeter. 3.2 miles around the perimeter. Anyway, check this out next Monday. Thanks for coming along.